Smart-TECNIC. Okay.
It was.
Yeah, still 2 years though.
Yeah, it was all brand new, the oil.
When at Smart-TECNIC, I have to have a quick look around the car park. Like to see what cars you got, Ben. So they're not always the same. No, I'm not having that. Ben's not known for washing cars, unlike me that just loves polishing them to within an inch of a life. Anyway, if you know Smart-TECNIC, you'll know a little story about Beavis. Beavis is pretty much the oldest smart car, well, probably anywhere in the UK. It's currently living under a bush, and I've seen some posts where people have been suggesting that we need to start a GoFundMe page to rescue it. Look at it, the poor thing. It's just sitting there, becoming part of the vegetation. Someone please start a GoFundMe page. And I know what you're going to be saying, you can go and start one yourself. Yes, I could start one myself. Someone needs to start trying to save Beavis. You can see why it's called Beavis, of course, but look at it. I feel sorry for this very old early left-hand drive Smart. Wouldn't have been called a ForTwo either, it's an early one. It would have just been called a Coupe. Need to save it. It's like a maze. An amazing maze. This is why if you need a part, well, there's usually one available. I got Ben looking for a couple of mirrors for my Smart because, well, they got the texture of sandpaper. Someone's obviously painted them at some point in the past, and it comes back to me being fussy again, doesn't it? I want them to look nice and shiny like on this one. You had a couple of extra cars. There's definitely some different cars in the middle there. There's a later one over there.
These are up the top.
Yeah, okay.
I've got rid of 4 shells.
Oh, have you?
Later one there.
This one here, that weren't here before, was it?
That was at the top. That's been since I bought the bins, that was sitting at the top.
Oh, right, okay. So that hasn't run for a little tiny while then?
This one's never actually run. It came here as non.
Which one, sorry? This one?
Diesel bought it from auction, guided, brought it to us. Didn't want to spend too much on it, so we didn't spend too much time on it.
Right.
It's still never run.
And it sits here ever since? Poor Ben's still looking for a mirror. He's got 2 in his hand though, look.
Yeah, the dodgy one. Well, if you look inside the cars, some of them have had them. Well, not if it's a pure, don't look inside a pure because I've got frame over.
Yeah. I just like looking around cars. Reminds me of the good old days when you used to be able to go around the scrapyard. Oh, there's a roadster here, everything. is at Smart-TECNIC. Everything. You just walk around and there's just randomly an engine sitting there, still connected to the rear axles. I'm not going to find my way back out of here now. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. What we found?
That pad right there.
And that's why I've got a wobbly steering wheel.
Yeah, well, when you brake.
Yeah. So there's new pads and discs then. They're going to be the original discs, aren't they, on an 18,000 more car, do you reckon?
I would have thought so. They don't eat brakes.
It's what, sorry?
They don't eat brakes.
No.
They don't eat tyres either. You'll get like a weird noise. It's just the coating coming off the new discs.
Yeah, okay.
Just for the first few bits of the drive, and then
Yeah.
it'll go away.
Okay.
They come with protective coatings so they don't corrode in the box.
Or why?
Just give it a quick coat.
New discs! I get excited by shiny things. Old.
We should paint these while they're off, shouldn't we?
Yes.
What colour? Leave them offset. What colour? Blue. You say?
Are you offering?
What colour? Yeah, what colour?
Blue?
Yeah.
Now that was a job I wasn't expecting to have done. How sad. So that's it. Another visit done to Smart-TECNIC. New brake discs and pads. That sorted out the wheel wobble, no doubt, when I'm braking. Fresh oil and filter. And the calipers have been painted blue because, well, why wouldn't you? Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That tells YouTube algorithms it's a good video and more people should watch it. And if you're not subscribed, there'll be a link somewhere about there in a few seconds to subscribe. It's totally free, but we value your support. See you soon.